Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to add multiple images on your Shopify. Okay, this is really easy. You need to do two steps. The first one is open your themes in your Shopify app. Okay, and you need to open this direction in your browser, and in this link you're going to see a web page that will help us to customize or edit or or add our multiple image in Shopify web page. Okay, this is easy. The first step we need to do is open our themes in Shopify and then click customize. Once we do that, the first step we need to do is we need to create a custom template. We're gonna click right here and then we're gonna type a name, and right here you're going to leave this as default and click create template. Also, you right here you're going to create your product. Okay, and then right here you're going to leave this as default. Okay, and then you're going to find your custom template in this area and click this button right here, and then once you open your custom template, you're going to add a block right here, and then you're going to click this custom liquid right here, and you're going to click. Once you click um, your custom liquid to add a code, you're going to this web. Okay, this you're going to enter this web right here to this link, and right here you can see there is a web that customize or multiple selection of image. Right here you're going to add this. You need to select right here and file up, and right here you're going to type image as your label of your field, and then you're going to click multiple files. Okay, and then you're going to uh, drop below. Okay, you're going to go down, and right here you're going to click, and then you're going to paste this code in this custom liquid area. And once you do that, uh, you're going to see your custom image upload button right here, and this is it. It's really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.